Hi guys, this is Sonal and today I'm going to unboxing a very exciting product from company The Face Shop. So get started with our unboxing. Here is the product. Oh my god, this is looking very pretty. This is a Valentine special kit from the Face Shop brand and this looks very cute. हम देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. So first product is rice water bright foaming cleanser. This is a very popular, very famous and very effective cleanser from the Face Shop. So really excited to try this. I'm trying for the first time. This is mask. मैंने बहुत बारी मास्क ट्राई किए हैं द फेस शॉप के and they are really good. And this is a mask lab. So I'm definitely sure this will do the work very good. Third product is this fit tint, water fit tint. Very nice. And the last product, this Face Shop kit. So sorry guys. This is a Yavidam kit and this is a very good amount, very good deluxe size products which we have received. So really nice Valentine special limited kit. This kit is for 999 only and we have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have received 8 products in 999. So this is very budget friendly, very good product and kit, very good amount of size, everything. So really good and really affordable. So I'm very happy with my purchase. Thank you. Bye bye.